Sticker my children. Exercise 1.6, first Roman letter, first third sum. See third Roman letter sum. See here. Write it in a matrix form first. The same way what we have proceed the previous sum, we are going to proceed this sum also. So matrix form. So 2, 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 1, 2 into x, y, z equal to 5, 1, 4. A, x equal to b. What is the next step? Augmented matrix. See the augmented matrix. The next one is the augmented matrix A comma B. Join A and B. 2, 2, 1, 5, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4. This is B value. See, I told you in the previous sum itself, the first element is 1, it is easy to do this sum. If it is not there also, no problem. You know very well how to do the elimination method. In 10th itself you studied. The same way you can proceed. You cross multiplication the values. R1 what number is there, you can multiply by R2. The same way R2 number is multiplied by R1. But luckily we are having 1 in the second row. So we interchange R1 and R2. See here, I interchange R1 and R2. I am interchanging R1 and R2. 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. See, the same thing I can write it here. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 5. 2, 2, 1, 5. R1, R2. This is my R1, R2. Next, 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. R3. We'll check it once. 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4. See the first element. See the first element of R2 and R1. You do it in your upper column. See, R2 gives, you will write R1 as it is. What is my R1? 1 minus 1, 1, 1. R2 gives. R2 gives, multiply R1 by minus 2, you are getting 0. So R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. What is R2 here? 2, 2, 1, 5. 2, 2, 1, 5. Multiply R1 by minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Multiply R1 by minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Then minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. What is the value? 0, 4, minus 1, 3. 0, 4, minus 1, 3. 0, 4, minus 1, 3. R3 gives the same way. R3 gives, see, R3 and R1. The same way you can proceed. R3 gives R3 minus 3R1. R3 gives R3 minus 3R1. So what is R3? 3, 1, 2, 4. R3 is 3, 1, 2, 4. Minus 3R1. See here, minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 3. See, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into 1 minus 3. So what is the answer? 0, 4, minus 1, 1. 0, 4, minus 1, 1. 0, 4, minus 1, 1. See, next we are going to see about, see here, next we are going to see about this and this alone. This number and this number alone. See here, R1 as it is you will write. What is R1? 1 minus 1, 1, 1. R2. R2 is 0, 4, minus 1, 3. R3 gives, see this number straight away you can subtract the value. R3 gives R3 minus R2. R3 gives R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1 minus 3 minus 2. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 1 minus of, minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. 1 minus 3 minus 2. See, I will write it the next one. Zero 4 minus 1 3. 0 4 minus 1 3. What is R3? 0 0 0 minus 2. What is rank of A? See here, rank of A. It is in echelon form. It is in echelon form. It is in echelon form. What is rank of A? See, this is rank of A. This alone is the rank of A. How many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2. This is 0 rows. This is 0 rows. How many non-zero rows are there? Only 2. So, rank of A equal to 2. What is the rank of AB? Rank of AB is nothing but what? Full rank of AB. Rank of C, rank of A is this, 1 minus 1, 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. This is rank of A. So, you are getting only 2 because 1 non-zero rows are, 1 0 rows are there, only 2 non-zero rows are there. See, for this, see here 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 0, 0, 0 minus 2. How many non-zero rows are there? How many non-zero rows are there? 3, because the last row also one element is there, because it is a non-zero rows. Total fully it is 0, only a 0 rows. So, row of A equal to, rank of AB equal to 3, rank of A equal to 2, rank of AB equal to 3, row of A not equal to row of AB. Row of A not equal to row of AB. You know the condition. What is the condition? The given system of equation. The given system of equation is inconsistent. The given system of equation is inconsistent, and if it is inconsistent means there is no solution. If it is consistent means we have some solution. So, inconsistent and no solution. The given system of equation is inconsistent and no solution.